Now let's install the editor PyCharm. So again, we'll be doing download PyCharm. So we're gonna go to this JetBrains website. So we'll be downloading PyCharm from this website itself, and you can see there are two edition available. One is professional and one is community. So professional is like available for free trial, but it's a licensed component. And this community edition, which most of the people are using, this is for pure Python development. So we'll be downloading this one itself. So you simply need to click on download, and see, I've already downloaded the exe file. It comes as a exe file, and I'll simply gonna run this. So again, a very straightforward installation. Just a moment. So this could be because I think I've installed it previously, and for this example I just uninstalled it. So that could be a reason it's has got previous components still installed. So I'm gonna delete this. And let me try and installing it again. Just give me a moment. So go to downloads, program, and here is PyCharm. All right. So here, a couple of other things that you can do is you can, if in case you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can create a desktop shortcut. And in case you want to update the path variable, you can do all these things. Create association. I mean, for the time being, what I recommend, just keep it as it is. I mean, don't check these options and simply click on install. Installing a lot of files, so it will gonna take some time. Let's wait. Almost done. And yes, and then we'll click on run and then finish. So it should actually gonna launch PyCharm. Click on OK, and this is your PyCharm Community Edition. Now here you can select a dark mode or a light mode. I prefer selecting the light mode over the dark mode because the clarity is more in this light mode, right? So then I can go to next features. So you can skip installing these plugins for the timing and start using PyCharm. Click on a new project, and this is the location where your project, PyCharm project, will be stored, right? Rest all these configuration, keep it as it is. This is your project name. You can change this name as well, and then click on create. So initially it is actually going to create a virtual environment for your project. Click on close. So virtual environment is an area where your project should be executed. All the PyCharm libraries are added to your virtual environment that you need to access the Python functionality. All right, so this is your project explorer, and this is the area where you'll be writing the code. You can run the code directly from here, or there's a shortcut Shift F10. So this is a by default program that you will gonna see over here. If you click on run, you're gonna see it is going to print hi PyCharm. In case you want to add your own file, so just right click, say new, and select Python file, and name it as first run. Right, you can give any name, click on finish, you'll see your file is added over here. So the very first statement we'll be adding is a print statement. As for the very first program, we should be printing hello world. So just there's a run button, click on this, and you're gonna see okay, at times it happens it may gonna execute the previous file, but if you right click and say run first test, then you're gonna see your test is executed. Next time if you do any changes over here, and if you do shift and F10, you're gonna see the same stuff is executed from this particular file, the Python file, right? So this is how you can install your PyCharm editor. It's very simple, very straightforward to install. And now you can start writing your Python script and can start with your Python learning journey, right? So in the next lecture, we're gonna talk about the very basic stuff, that it's variables. So to get started, the very first thing comes is a variable. What exactly is variable? How to define variable? What are the naming convention? So these are the things that we're going to talk about in our next lecture. All right, thank you.